इस दिन के लिए मुझे काफ़ी एक्साइटमेंट थी एवर सिंस आई फिनिश्ड राइटिंग द स्क्रिप्ट, बट सेट पर पूरा दिन खत्म करने के बाद पता चला कि एक 75 सेकंड्स की वन ऑन वन फाइट सीक्वेंस विथ लिटिल बिट ऑफ डायलॉग को शूट करने के लिए 2 घंटे लग जाते हैं। એન્ટ્રી થાય છે ને બરાબર, ત્યારે તમને તરત ખબર ન પડે, તમે ઊભા થતા હો બરાબર, અને તમે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડમાં રિંગ રાખી દીધી ને બરાબર, રિંગ તમારો હાથ છે ને પોકેટમાં હોય છે ને, તમે આમ ઊભા થતા હો ને પછી તમારું ધ્યાન પડશે। ये पूरी फाइट सीक्वेंस को एक दिन दिया गया था एंड द एंटायर सीक्वेंस हैड 3 एक्ट स्ट्रक्चर एज वेल। आई कंस्ट्रक्टेड इट बाय कीपिंग इन माइंड ऑफ अ थीम ऑफ ब्रेन वर्सेस पावर, वेयर सुचेंद्र रिप्रेजेंट्स पावर एंड मोहिनी रिप्रेजेंट्स ब्रेन। उस सीक्वेंस का फर्स्ट अटैक शुरू होता है सुचेंद्र के अटैक से, विच इज जस्ट काउंटर्ड बाय मोहिनी विथ अ बुक, बट देन सुचेंद्र's मेल ईगो गेट्स हर्ट दैट एक लड़की ने उसका खून बहा दिया। सो वो पूरा फायर्ड अप हो के ताकत से हमला करता है उस पर। एंड आफ्टर द टेबल थ्रो विच शोज द एंगर एंड रिलेंटलेसनेस ऑफ सुचेंद्र इज एक्चुअली आवर हाई पॉइंट विच गेट्स अस into second act. Mohini is throwing books, trying to defend herself, but Suchendra is having none of it. After Suchendra questions her choice, Mohini usko overpower करती है by using her brain, and then she strikes him with a container. She just gives it back with one strike, and वो उसे बताती है कि क्यों रजनीकांत उसके लिए अच्छा है। That personal attack raises the stakes and gets us into the final act of the fight, where Suchendra try करता है उसे मार देने की। Suchendra is rough and brutal here, but again Mohini uses her brain, and with that crotch kick, Mohini ने अपने आप को बचाया and that ends the fight. That low blow was used because एक ऐसे point पे fight खत्म करनी थी जहाँ से there is no coming back, so it made sense. इस पूरी fight sequence में मीत भाई और नेहा का performance और coordination top notch था, and I am very satisfied with how this scene turned out. 2, 1, action! The last day of the shoot, it was a very chill day and I was happy, sad, nervous, overwhelmed all at the same time. To be honest, मुझे पता नहीं था उस वक्त मैं क्या फील कर रहा हूँ, but I knew कि आज भी 100% ही देना है। We started off pretty fast that day. We covered the arrival of host and the death of Saraswati in just under an hour. And after that, I received a huge surprise. One of my very good friend, whom I consider my little brother Jai Boda, who lives in Mumbai, was suddenly just standing right behind me. I was shocked. I didn't expect that to happen. I came to know that उसने specially ये date select की थी ताकि वो मेरे set पर आए, and that means the world to me. Unfortunately, due to the excitement of the last day and all the work, I wasn't able to click a picture with him, and I regret that. I really value our friendship, and Chirag was part of this surprise as well, as he knew कि Jai is planning this and they were in it together. So thank you to both of you, and I am glad कि I have brothers like you जो मुझे इस मेरी जर्नी में support कर रहे हैं. Both of you made this day even more memorable. Now भानु की रियल पर्सनालिटी शोकेस करने का वक्त आ गया था। द चेंज ऑफ बॉडी लैंग्वेज, द वे ही स्पीक्स, ये सब ललित अंकल ने प्रिपेयर किया हुआ था, एंड इट वाज टाइम फॉर अनदर मोनोलॉग। इट टुक अस 12 or 15 takes to finalize that dialogue, that specific shot, and even after all those takes, Lalit uncle was saying कि एक बार फिर से करते हैं। That shows how much passionate he is when it comes to acting. कई लोगों को ये मेरे rapid retakes से problem है. They have a problem with my style, and it is very much inspired by Fincher, because just like him, I also believe in perfection. I believe कि there is something like a perfect take जहाँ पे everything is balanced, everything is on same level, whether it is the extras or the lead cast member who is in front of the camera, everyone has to be at their level best, and वो generally it doesn't happen on the first take. So मैं वो बार बार करते रहता हूँ वो चीज़, but 50-100 बार नहीं कराता. That's not who I am. We were shooting the slow motion portion and I wanted climax to be grand, and मैंने imagine किया था म्यूजिक के साथ बिना कोई डायलॉग. So पूरा फोकस सिर्फ फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस पे ही था. एवरीथिंग वाज गोइंग स्मूथ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, कुछ नहीं, सब कुछ टाइम से चल रहा था. आफ्टर एन आवर और सो हम वहां तक पहुंच गए थे व्हेन बानू गेट्स किल्ड. उस पोर्शन के बाद जब समीर और साहिल अंदर आके ऊपर लाइब्रेरी में जब उनके पापा को देखते हैं, उनकी बॉडी देखते हैं भानु की, दैट वाज आवर लास्ट शॉट एंड इट वाज डन इन जस्ट वन टेक. कभी कभार सिंगल टेक में ही काम हो जाता है. एंड दैट वाज इट. एज सून एज आई सेड कट, I was on top of the mountain. I filmed for 9 straight nights. I was super happy with this journey. A journey which involved strangers, friends, and more importantly, KJ and JB, my mom and dad. You guys are the foundation of Parth Pandya Productions. Without you, there would be no set, no camera, and no me. So thank you मुझे ये freedom देने के लिए. Thank you मुझे अपना सपना जीने देने के लिए. This is the last video related to Chandragrahan. To all of you who watched the film, thank you. To all of you who liked the film, I am glad. To all of you who haven't watched the film, please do. To all of you who hated the film, no problem. I am still going to be making Suryagrahan next year to complete this saga of revenge. But in the meantime, stick around as lots of exciting things are going to be happening on this channel. Thank you everyone. I'll see you soon.